What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when you are unable to log into your Facebook account or getting the unexpected error when trying to use Facebook on your mobile device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, verify your internet connection. A simple oversight could be that your device isn't connected to the internet. Try toggling your iPhone's Wi-Fi off and switching to mobile data. Access the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Tap the Wi-Fi icon to turn it off, and then tap the cellular data icon to turn it on. Attempt to log into Facebook again to see if the issue is resolved. If that doesn't work, try restarting your iPhone. This can resolve many minor software glitches. To restart your iPhone, press the volume up button, then press the volume down button and press and hold the power button until you see the slide to power off screen. Drag the slider to power off your device. Afterward, press and hold the power button again until you see the Apple logo. Once your iPhone reboots, try logging into Facebook again. Next, ensure your Facebook app is up to date. Outdated apps can lead to login issues. Open the App Store, tap on your profile icon at the top right and scroll down to see if there is an update for Facebook. If there is, tap Update next to the Facebook app. Updating may fix the login error by patching any bugs in the app. If updating doesn't help, consider reinstalling the Facebook app. To uninstall, press and hold the Facebook app icon on your home screen until the pop-up menu appears, then select Remove App and confirm by tapping Delete App. To reinstall, go back to the App Store, search for Facebook and tap Download. A fresh install can clear out any corrupted data which might be causing login issues. In some cases, Facebook may have locked your account for security reasons, such as repeated login attempts with an incorrect password or suspicious activity that suggests your account was hacked. To check if your account is locked, open Safari on another web browser on your iPhone, go to facebook.com and attempt to log in. If you are prompted with a message that your account is locked, follow Facebook's instructions to verify your identity and regain access. This process may involve uploading a photo ID or confirming your identity through other means provided by Facebook. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.